Hey guys, so I had a package coming today from SICKSPEED. I got some parts, so I'm going to get my knife out and open it up. I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, so I have it all unboxed here. I got a oil catch can and a red oil filter with it because I opted for a vented one. I have the super horn kit with a high and low tone horn, the wiring harness, and the relay, just so it works well. You can use it without the relay, but it's recommended that you do because you get better power to the horns, especially if you're moving from a single horn to a dual horn setup. I also got this 4-inch red and carbon fiber stubby antenna that came with the mounting kit, so that'll be on soon. I need to buy a new mount for my antenna for my car because mine may have broken off. And since I am a sponsor, I got 2 license plate frames. One's already on my car. I got a bit excited and threw it on there. I got a whole ton of stickers, so I'm going to stick those in everything I can. It's going to be great. Got a couple different kinds. These SICKSPEED ones, and then you have the SICKSPEED ultra high performance ones. 2 variants of that, the black lettering, and then there's ones in the bottom here with white lettering. So I'll be plastering up a bunch of stuff with that, definitely putting a few in my car. What also came with the sponsor kit was a jet tag. I got a Reds and Nudes one. I like it, and it matches with the lanyard that you get as well with the sponsor kit. If you're interested in getting any of this, I will post a link in the description, and let's go over each of these individually. So this is the oil catch can. I have it all taken out of the box for you guys. It comes with the catch can itself. It's quite hefty. It's nice quality. It's got a baffle inside, and the input and the output on the top there. I'm running a vented setup, so it'll be a little bit different. I'll show you guys in a second. You have your drain in the bottom, and the top here is for where your air filter goes if you're running a vented setup. And if you choose the vented setup, it comes with this air filter here. It's a red mini pod filter, and it's threaded on the bottom. So the plug on top will come out, and this will go in. And since I'm running only one input, I'm going to plug off this with this plug, run the input here, and put the filter on top. I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second. It comes with a mounting bracket. It's just a simple L shape. I'm going to have to do some fabrication to make one that works with my car because it's going to be a little bit different. It comes with 4 hose clamps. They're a little bent up. It's fine. I'll be using these on that because it's better than zip ties or no hose clamps. And it comes with all the mounting stuff. So these are 4 machine screws and 4 washers. The intention is 2 of them goes in there and these 2 machine holes in the side. And this bracket fits like that, or that, and that bolts to your firewall. And I'll just set it up real quick how I'm going to do it and be right back. So this is how I'm going to be running it. I'm going to be running it like this. The air filter fits on the top, and it's got a nice little groove in the top there, and it sits in rather nicely. Looks good as a whole unit. I plugged off the output if I was running a return system back into my intake. So I'm going to have the hose coming from here and going to my valve cover, and this will be mounted probably to my strut tower or on my firewall, and it's just going to sit like that and look very pretty. Looks very nice, very high quality. It's hard to describe how much this weighs. It's quite hefty, and it feels like high quality. So hopefully this works out good and it helps my problem with my oily engine bay. So that's great. So these are the Supertone blast horns. They are 118 decibels, which is great because the Pontiac has quite the anemic horn. It's actually quite pathetic. I'll give you guys a good example when I do the install video for these guys. So it comes with the instructions, how to wire it with a relay, without a relay. And it comes with 2 horns. They're way bigger than I expected. They're really big. quite hefty. Really nice. I'm really excited for these. These are going to be really nice to have. Especially where my horn now isn't exactly the loudest. And it's really pathetic. So hopefully these guys are the answer to that problem. I didn't only just get these guys because you can wire it without a relay and you can wire it with a relay. I chose to go with the relay because it has a better chance of working and you get more power to the horn. I didn't want to risk having not enough power, blowing a fuse or something like that with the other horns. So hopefully that will keep me safe, and so I'll get these guys out of the way. And this is the wiring harness. This is what I got extra with it to go with the relay. So this is the relay here. It's got a little thing there to mount it, and a wiring harness here in this bag. So it's fused. It has some blade connector, female blade connectors for the horns. This is where the relay goes. Let's see. This end here goes right onto your battery. And then you got your ground and your positive end coming out. So hopefully that all goes good. And then the two blade connectors here for the horn. And the relay just plugs into this plug here. So when I do my install, I'm going to have to figure out a way to hide all this and make it look nice and tidy, but we'll figure it out. And it'll be good. It's exciting stuff. And lastly, we got the stubby antenna kit. It's carbon fiber with the red anodized aluminum ends. It's got the SICKSPEED logo there, if I get it up right. And it comes with a nice little mounting kit. Everything you'll need, spacers. These are little base things, so if it's sticking up a little bit, you can put it on there. And it'll raise up a little bit. And all the thread adapters you'll ever need. So that's all the main stuff that I got with this. If you like what you see, subscribe. I'll be doing individual reviews and install videos for these guys soon. So keep an eye out for those. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. And like I said earlier, if you're interested in any of this stuff, I'll put a link in the description below for SICKSPEED's website. You can apply for a sponsorship there. They're really great guys, really nice. It's a great community. I really recommend checking it out. And hopefully I'll see you guys around. Thanks.